All right, today we're gonna make something simple. Make quesadillas, but not just your regular quesadillas that you melt the cheese and all that stuff. We're gonna actually make a little fried quesadillas, right? This is how I used to do it back in the days. Of course, we used to eat them with beans. We used to dip them in beans and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this on. Olive oil, whatever oil you want. Butter. Butter was our big thing, but today we're gonna do is olive oil. Make sure you get all around. Heat this up to a point where it becomes a little bit hot, all right? And then you can microwave the tortillas to blend them a little blend, or you could heat them up a little bit. It's up to you, but we're not gonna use these. These are the zero tortillas. That means that they're too healthy for me. If you're gonna fry stuff, might as well go in all the way. Yeah, that's what I always say. So let's go ahead and get the good tortillas. There we go. Now we got it. Now we got real flour tortillas, all right? So the other ones, I don't know what they are, but they say 000 something zero. I don't like when it says too many zeros because that means they take all the good stuff out, you know? But it's supposed to be healthier. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and add our cheese. We got a lot of cheese here that we need to get rid of and shred. We already have a lot of shredded cheese, so what I like to do is when it heats up a little bit, put it in there, put the cheese, and then fold it. If you're not familiar how to fold stuff, then you ain't Mexican. Well, if you're not, it's okay. First time here, that's okay. Now, if you guys are watching this, and it gives you some sort of flashbacks or something that your grandma used to do, then, you know, this is a show for you guys. If you guys want to learn how to do some of the stuff that's simplicity stuff, this is a show for you guys, you know. I do a lot of the stuff out of heart, love, cooking, and of course, homage to those people that taught me some of the stuff, you know. So today, we're just going to do some nice little quesadillas, right? And I like to cook them enough where they get a little brownish, right? I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to put one here. And you got to hold it down for a while, so sometimes, but if not, it's okay. That automatically fold. Not automatically, you got to fold it yourself. So and do this one too. Move all the cheese in one side. And then start going. And don't worry about if the cheese comes out. If it does come out, it's okay. So this is perfect one right there. So I like it when it's folding down on the bottom. Those taste the best. You're the best. Oh, something. All right. So there's another one, and these are simple little recipes that people don't do more often because they're too simple. But if you have cheese and maybe a couple tortillas, look how simple you can do this, all right? A little bit of oil, not too much. Don't overdo it where it's inundating, it's overwhelming the tortilla and soaking it up too much, you know? So make sure that just put enough where you could cook it in one side and then cook in the other side. So take your time, but the heat rapidly increases the cooking time, so just make sure you could get tongues. Let me get my tongues out. It's much easier like this, and then move this around, and I'm gonna show you how quick this thing goes. All right, look at that. That's what we want. That's already cooked on one side. Look at that. That's cooked on the other side. Like that. I'm gonna make an extra one just in case my kid says I want one too. She's always asking me for one, so. And these cook real quick, so try to keep moving them around. And once you move them around, just keep the momentum going, all right? Meaning that keep adding more, and then one's gonna be done, the next one's gonna be done, and so forth. So this is perfect right there. Oh, just drop some cheese, it's fine. All right, now that we move these around, don't let them stick together. Look at that. That's almost getting burned there. Ooh, saved it. Look at that. And these should be done already. Let me get a plate out. That's how quick they cook. Once you get the heat going, they cook quick. And this is how quick it is. But it gives you that little beautiful crunchy taste. If you want to get it from the corner, you could do that. Stand it up. It's hard to balance it out and getting the perfect crunch all around. So I should have left it how it was. I wanted to make a perfect crunch like that right there. Perfect crunch. You could lean them to each other if you want. Look at this one. There you go. They go all cooked the same way. This is the one that I'm concerned. Move it around, move it around. It's not ready to turn yet. And the oil already, it's almost gone. So you could tell when it starts changing the color. And you could add a little bit more oil, but I don't need to at this point because these are the only ones I'm cooking. And you see that one? Came out perfect. I'm doing all the corners perfect. That's beautiful. This one, I like it the way it is. Look at beautiful brown. Beautiful brown on top. And these are done. So, beautiful. Take them all out. This one's not done yet, but we're going to flip it because it's already cooking. This one should be done in a bit. But all the oil evaporated already. It soaked up all the oil. So, this is the only one that's going to come out a little different from all of them. But look at the beautiful. And look how crunchy they are. And the cheese. Oh, the cheese. Ooh, that's another level. So, I'm going to turn it off now. Because it's going to heat up. It's still hot as it is. It's still cooking. But once you turn it off, it still cooks for a bit. And these are all done already. This is pretty much done. So this one almost finished up the oil. And this one's done with the oil. This is more like just cooked. Just heat it up. That's pretty much it. And that's about it. So very simple. If you get yourself some frijoles, you can enjoy them even better. Let me open one up so you guys can see the inside. All right. So this one has a perfect crunch. We're just going to try to cut it as much as you can, but so you guys can see the cheese, how beautiful it looks in the middle. And this is ready to go. So, and you can tell which one's which. There's yellow cheese and, of course, Monterey. So, really good. Simple. Hope you guys enjoy this video and enjoy your food.